Good morning, students. Now we see zoology assignment explanation held on 10th August. Now we see one by one. Question number 31. Mark the odd one with respect to respiratory organs. So, odd one have to be find out. What are the options given here? In first option, Pisces given. Second option, mammals given. Third, reptiles given. Fourth, aves given. Out of four, Pisces are odd one because of Pisces are respired with gills. So key is one. Remain three are respire with lungs. So that's why odd one, Pisces given one. Then coming to 32, question number. Identify incorrect match. Organisms given on one side, respiratory organs given on another side. In first option, Laxifer. Laxifer belongs to phylum Arthropoda. So that respires with trachea, not gives. So incorrect one, first option. Coming to remain three, Lepishma, trachea, yes, arthropod. Arania, book lungs, yes, book lungs are there. Phyla, Tinidia, yes, gills. Um, Another name for gills in molluscans known as Tinidia. So phyla is also right. So here is first option. 33. Set of respiratory organs used for exchanging of gases in terrestrial habitats. In terrestrial habitats, generally lungs, skin, moist skin, trachea will be used by different types of organisms. Once we check that options, in first option, skin gills given, gills not related to terrestrial area for respiration. So first one is not. Second option, gills, trachea, again gills is given, so wrong. Third, trachea and lungs, yes, this option is right. So key is third. Coming to fourth, lungs and tinidia, yes, tinidia is another name for gills. That's why here gills mentioned in three options, 1, 2, 4. That's why those are not correct. Third one is right. Then coming to question number 34. For occurrence of inspiration, intrapulmonary pressure should be, yes, intrapulmonary pressure should be lower than atmospheric pressure, then only air entered into lungs. That's why here third option is right. In third option, less than atmospheric pressure should be present inside lungs. Here the intrapulmonary pressure. So third option right. Then coming to question number 35. The volume of thoracic chamber increases in dorsoventral axis due to contractions of, yes, thoracic cavity will be enlarged in this direction, antero posterior. One more direction, dorsal to ventral. So in this direction, whenever the thoracic cavity will be increased by contraction of external intercostal muscles, dorsoventral in axis that will be enlarged. The anterior to posterior direction will be enlarged by contraction of phrenic muscles. So, but they are asking only increasing of thoracic cavity in the direction or in axis of dorsal to ventral direction by contraction of external intercostal muscles. So, he is second option. Then coming to 36. Mark the correct order of lung capacities. Here in first option, EC is less than FRC given. EC is less than FRC. FRC less than IC given. IC less than BC given. Yes. This is right in mode because of, you know that, what do you call EC, expiratory capacity is less than FRC, FRC less than IC, IC less than VC. So first option right. Then coming to 37. Open circulatory system which does not participate in transport of oxygen occurs in. Yes, there should be an open type of circulatory system, and that too in that organism, oxygen will not be transported by that blood. Generally, open type of circulation present in arthropods. In that are also what do you call, oxygen will not be transported by blood. That means by circulatory medium. So here, third option right. The case of arthropods, open type of circulation present. Same in that manner, that circulatory medium not involved in transportation of respiratory gas like oxygen. But a little bit carbon dioxide will be transported by circulatory medium there. So third option right. 38. Mucosal layer in stomach from the irregular folds known as gastric rugae, you know that word. So rugae is the correct option that given in third. So third is key. Then coming to 39. A pair of small lymphoid tissues present at sites of where attachment of tongue occurred are at root of the tongue. So at the size of the attachment of the tongue or at the size of the root of the tongue, a pair of tonsils present. Those are treated as lymphoid tissues. So given is to correct there. 40. Vomerine teeth present. Yes, maxillary vomerine teeth seen in the case of frogs. Vomerine teeth seen in the case of frogs. So frog given in third. So third is the key. Then coming to another zoology assignment for senior super trainer students, held on 12th. Held on 12th. So zoology assignment explanation. Held on 12th. Related to that question paper, coming to one by one. 31. From the following, which cells have to be provided with nutrients and oxygen? There is a direct sentence in our NCERT textbook. Each and every living cell have to be provided with nutrients, oxygen, and other essential substances. Here, options: cells of stratum corneum need not to be provided because of cells of stratum corneum are dead in mode, dead cells those are. No need of supplying of that nutrients oxygen to that cell. Second, muscle fibers, yes, live in position. Nerve cells are those are also live in position. So nutrients have to be provided of these two cells. So option is both 2 and 3. Next, 32. These are the substances transported by blood in humans. Generally, blood will be involved in transportations of different type of substances like hormones, enzymes, nutrients, respiratory gases, collecting of nitrogenous waste, intermediate metabolic products like lactic acid, etc. So here given respiratory gases in first option, nutrients given in second option, hormones given in third option. Both are, yes, all of these will be transported by circulatory medium, nothing but blood in the case of human beings. So fourth is the key. Then coming to 33, statement 1. Removal of harmful substances. Need for healthy functioning of tissues in animals, right? In animals, time to time, continuously, harmful substances have to be removed. Then only functions will be effective in manner. So statement 1 correct. Then coming to statement 2. In all animals, very complex mechanisms evolved for transportation of different substances. Here, in all animals, very complex mechanisms evolved. No, in some animals, simple mechanisms run the or show the for the transportation of different types of substances. So the statement 2 is incorrect. So statement 1 correct, but statement 2 incorrect. So statement 1 only correct given in third option. So P is third. 34. In which animals circulate of water from their surroundings through their body cavities to facilitating the cells to exchanging of substances occurred? In which animals this mode of water movement takes place from their surroundings into their body cavities for facilitating of exchanging of materials between cells to water? Here, if we see Echinodermis one group, Poriferans one more group, Coelenterase one more group. So here options are like this. In first option, sponges, Coelenterase, yes, in this case. Next, in second option, Echinodermis, yes, in this case also occurred, but in the case of the third, molluscans not occurred. So fourth, all except three is correct. So P is fourth option. Next, coming to 35. In most complex organisms, most commonly used fluid for transportation of different substances. In most complex animals, most commonly used fluid is blood. Mostly used body fluid is blood here. That's why third option right for the transportation of different substances. Lymph also will be used to transport of shedded substances. That will not be considered as most common used substance for transportation of substance or most commonly used medium. 36. Circulatory fluid in nematodes for transportation of different types of substances. In nematodes, no blood vascular system. Uh, that means a cavity present between alimentary canal to body wall. In that cavity, pseudocoelomic fluid present. The pseudocoelomic fluid acts as a hydrostatic skeleton, helps in transportation of different substances. So pseudocoelomic fluid is the correct option that given in second. So P is 2. 37. Blood not involved in transport of these substances in cockroach. Yes. Blood not involved in transportation of oxygen, but involved in transportation of nutrients, hormones, carbon dioxide, but not helps in transportation of oxygen. Directly transported towards the cells by tracheal system there. So second option right. Well developed circulation evolved first time in the case of annelids. So well developed circulatory system, that to closed type of circulatory system evolved in first time in annelids. So key third 39. In which animals water circulation helps in transport of gases? Sorry, gametes. Yes, gametes will be transported by circulation of waters from surrounding into body in the same way from inside to outside. Suppose one sponge, whenever gametes are shed, those gametes are coming out by water circulation. In the same way, those gametes will be entered into another sponges. So gametes transportation also done by water circulation in the case of sponges as well as echinodermates. So that given in fourth, 1 and 3 are correct. 40. Circulatory medium in humans for transportation of respiratory gases. It's a direct sentence. That is blood. So blood involved in transportation of respiratory gases from lungs to tissues, in the same way tissues towards the lungs. So blood involved in transportation of respiratory gases. ECF, yes, simply ECF will carry the oxygen from the capillaries towards the interstitial spaces. But in that localized area will be done by ECF, nothing but tissue. But blood majority helps in transportation of respiratory gases. This is the direct sentence mentioned in our NCERT book also. So given key, first one is right.